In this demo, we will see how Aries Commander is now able to work with rooms and spaces in imported BIM projects. The rooms in Aries Commander are three-dimensional spaces that we can easily select through the BIM Navigator. To do this, we'll start in the Elements section where we can search for the room's objects and, one by one, view where they are in the 3D model. But back to our 2D view. We select one of them, and pressing the right button, we will choose Select Matching from the drop-down menu to select the rest of the identical elements in this view. In the Properties palette, we can vary the style with which we want to indicate these elements, choosing a different type of cross or none at all. We could also select some of them individually and change their color and transparency to differentiate, for example, the common areas of this building from the private ones, or even indicate the toilet area with another color. When selecting a room, we can learn about its BIM properties from the Properties palette. We can quickly see its perimeter, area, and volume, among others. All this information was added in the BIM model, and Aries Commander is able to read it easily. Aries Commander enables us to create automatic labels for these rooms. To do this, we open the Labels library and choose between the different options available for this type of BIM element. Now we apply our selection to all rooms. From the BIM tab, we choose Label All Rooms, and they will automatically be located in the center of the rooms, with the information that they have obtained directly from the Room BIM object. In this case, we can change an automatic value, such as the name of the room, to a personalized one, which we can then extract to tables. Labels are annotative objects. In fact, they are annotative blocks, with automatic data that they extract from the BIM object itself. Since they are annotative objects, it is important to verify that we have created them in the desired scale. If not, we must add all the necessary scales to them so that later they can be seen correctly when we configure the views in the sheets. Note that in this example, we only have one selected label. If we want all the labels to be visible at different scales, we must be careful to select all of them in order to assign them the same configuration at the same time. To do this, once the labels are selected, we can press the right button and choose the Select Matching option. Now, with all the room labels of this drawing selected, we can add or remove annotative scales from here in the Properties palette. Adding more scales is something we can do later, as needed. Now we go to the main drawing. Here we choose a sheet of paper space. Now we are going to add one of the views. We can do it from the Sheet Set Manager by right-clicking on a view, or directly from the view in the BIM Navigator. Right-click on the view and choose Place on Sheet. We can press the right button to change the scale, or choose the one we have defined, if it is correct. We click to insert the view. Now we insert the plan view that we had configured before, where we can see that the room labels are displayed. Room tags can also be added in a section view. For that, we are going to open one of these views with a double click. Now we must choose the label that we want to use. Each view is independent. We choose Set as Default for Rooms. We apply it to all the rooms with the Label All Rooms command. It's just that easy. We save the changes and return to the main drawing. We must reload the view so that it is updated and shows the labels. Notice that in this case, a pop-up balloon alerts us to the need to reload the reference. Here we can see the updated view. In any case, if we want to update a view, we just have to select it and press the right button to choose the Refresh option. The icons that appear above allow you to do the same. This icon allows you to update all views at once, while this one here is used to update the selected view.